Hey guys, so get today's assignment pulled up. Do you guys want to say hi to the people that are online?
Hi,
Second hour says hi.
Shout out to Tyler if you're seeing
Shout
this.
out to Tyler Steffen if you're watching. Okay, so today is just review of what we did yesterday. I used to hate math, but then I realized decimals have a point. Geometry keeps you in shape. Also, working out does. Okay, the first two problems. Make sure you look at the statement, not the picture. Statement. Triangle cat, congruent to triangle JSD. So, look at the statement, not the picture. Use capitals. So, angle C is the first letter. What would that be congruent to? J. Capital. Use capitals. Order does matter. Make sure you use capitals. So, on 1 and 2, make sure you look at the statement, not the picture. Statement, not the picture. Okay, starting with number 3. This is where it can get kind of confusing because it's not on a worksheet. So, this is why I said maybe you want your expo markers because you might want to draw the picture out. So on how this is going to work, I know it looks weird, but the first triangle is A, second triangle is B, third triangle is C, fourth triangle is D. A, B, C, D. You're going to decide why the triangles are congruent. So if there's vertical angles, you have to either be able to look at this and imagine humps there, or maybe on your desk, draw the picture and put in the humps. So then you can try to decide, okay, why would those triangles be congruent? Is it side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, or HL? What do you guys think?
Angle, side.
Angle, angle, side. Use capitals. Use capitals. And by the way, if they are not congruent, you will put capital N, capital C. So, again, you have to either be able to imagine those vertical angles or draw the picture. Now, if you look at the second one, so the second set of triangles is B. I know this is like all kind of messed up here, so it goes A, B, C, and then D. So this is B. Now, there's nothing you can mark. The triangles are not smushed together. There's not vertical angles. So all I have is a right angle and a side. Not congruent. In C, you have to have at least 3 things. That only has 2 things, and I can't just randomly mark something unless they're vertical angles or unless they share a side. So A is angle, angle, side. B is NC. Okay, for the next one, this one right here, do you see how the triangles are smushed together?
Yes.
So I can mark that. Or I can draw, I can draw the picture, or in my mind, I can just think, okay. So if all 3 sides are marked, what's that?
Side, side, side.
Side, side, side. So C is side, 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 however that is on your, C is side, side, side.
All caps.
All caps. Okay, so we've got angle, angle, side, NC, side, side, side. The fourth one, the triangles are not smushed together. There's no vertical angles. All I have are 2 sides marked. Is that enough information?
No.
So you would put NC, not congruent. Okay, so like I said, you might want to draw pictures. Let's look at one more just to make sure. I think it's harder when you don't have it on a worksheet because you can't draw it in. So let's look at number 4. So again, the triangles, it goes A, B, C, D. So these triangles are smushed together. I can mark that side. I know if this is a right angle, this is a right angle. So I have a right angle and a side. That's not enough information. So NC. That's not RHL. We don't have enough information. I would have to spell angle, side, side for it to be RHL. So NC. Okay, so let's look at the next one. So again, if it helps, you can draw the picture. Mine's not very good, but I've got a side and an angle marked, a side and an angle marked. They have vertical angles, so I'm going to mark my vertical angles.
Angle, angle, side.
Angle, angle, side. Good. Not angle, side, angle. Angle, angle, side. Okay, let's look at the third one. So, could I mark anything?
Vertical.
Vertical angle, so I would have this side, and my vertical angles. What do you think?
Not enough.
Not enough information. There's only two things marked. So C would be NC. NC. So right now we've got A is NC, B is angle, side, C is NC, and then D, let's look at the last one. Yeah, what would this one be? Hopefully you can see.
Angle, side, angle.
Angle, side, angle, ASA. Okay, so that's how those are going to work. You have to do 5, 6, and 7 same way. So again, if you need to draw it out, draw it out. Go to number 8. Number 8, you have to decide what additional information is needed to prove that the triangles are congruent, and then it'll give you a reason. So this is angle, side. So again, you might want to draw the picture because I already have a side marked, and that's all I have marked. But do you know that you've got vertical angles? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark that. Which other angle would I need for it to be angle side?
Any of the angles.
Why?
Well, if I did this one, then it would be angle, side, angle. Do you see
Yeah.
that?
Why?
So I would need Y and
Z.
U. U. Z
Oh,
is
right.
already, that's
I was
vertical.
thinking the line.
So Y and U, so this one. So you find where Y and U is. So again, draw the picture out if you need to. And I put scratch paper up there too if you'd rather use scratch paper. Okay, let's look at number 9. So it says, what additional information do you need to prove that the triangles are congruent by side, angle, side? So right now, all I have marked are the right angles. But those triangles share a side, so I can mark that. So I want side, angle, side. Name sides with 2 letters. What would it be? PR and RA, yes. Because that would be side, angle, side. So you have to go through and try to figure out what additional information that you need.
Well, that makes a lot of sense.
But I would draw the picture. I'm very visual. Like, I have to draw it. I have to see it. So if you can do it without drawing, then that's fine. Okay, so you're going to have to do that on several. And then go to number 16. So 16 and 17, you have a little bit of algebra. Just make sure you match corresponding parts. So like if I want to find x, see how 2x plus 4 is where angle A is?
Mm-hmm.
So A is the first letter. What's that match up to?
E.
P. So it has to be put equal to P, not R. Do you guys see that? Don't do 2x plus 4 equals 80. I want to do 2x plus 4 equals 100. Do you guys see that? So you have to match corresponding parts, then solve. So you might need your exponent. 2x plus 4 equals 100. You have to solve that. Now to get y, do you see where y is where DC is? So DC is the last 2 letters. What would that be congruent to? RS, which is 12. So not 10, but 12. So 3y minus 3 equals 12. Solve for y. And then you'll get that answer. Now the last one's a little bit tricky because look up here on angle F it says 2x minus y. So you're going to have to find y first. So do you see where y is right here?
Yeah.
That's angle D. D is the middle letter. What would that be congruent to?
B.
B, which is? So now you know y is 48. That was easy.
Huh.
So to get x, F is the first letter. What's that have to be equal to?
A.
Hey, uh-oh, I don't know that angle.
So you have to add up to 180.
Yeah, all the angles in a triangle add to 180. So do 180 minus 108, which that would be 72, right? Minus 48. Well, 72 minus 48.
I'm doing the math.
24?
34.
Check it. I think it's 24.
I think it's 9.
It's 24.
Okay, 24. So you would have 2x minus y equals 24, but what was y?
48.
So 2x minus 48 equals 24. Those people on the video are going to think you're...
I've never.
Yeah.
heard
That was Kelton.
I've never.
Kelton doesn't know his math.
Never heard someone so confident in a wrong statement.
I
I
know.
just say it. I don't
Yeah,
think
so
I
then
just
you have
say
to
it.
solve it from there. So you solve it.
I just say no.
Anyway, if you have questions, let me know. If you have questions, I'm teasing, guys. Kelton is super smart.
No, he's not.
He's super smart. Have a great day.
Bye.